Good morning, friends, and welcome back to Honeybee Farmstead. I'm Mel, and it's a beautiful day here on the farm. We've got quite a lot of projects going on. We're building a fence, or Mr. Honeybee Farmstead is building a fence. I'll show you. Right here. So, from the corner post and around the pipes and the tank and all the things, and then back over here to this post, just taking all of this out of the cow paddock because we've had to, I don't know whether you can see, we've had to fix pipe there that the cows have stood on and smashed and things like that. So yeah, we're trying to prevent that happening by locking them out. So then we've got to go over. Hamburger has hurt his leg, so we've got to give him an injection of anti-inflammatory. We're just going to milk now, and we've got some special friends with us here today, so I'll introduce you to those guys. We're going to a couple of little cuties that have been watching our channel since the very beginning, and yeah, so we're going to show them milking and let them have a go at milking and learning how it all works. We're going to take you along with us, so we hope you enjoy. She thinks you're her baby too.
He wants to carry it.
All right.
Let's go.
Off we go. So behind me we have the lovely Hayley Pusey. We have Isaiah and Kaysen, her little babies. And we've been friends for quite some time now. Thanks to YouTube. We connected through the comments section on YouTube. Hayley has got a really awesome channel as well you might want to check out. I've mentioned it before on here. It's just Hayley Pusey, and it's excellent for inspiring all things organisational and cleaning. So I've got her out here and I'm just going to make her work. She's going to clean everything and organise my life. She needed a real challenge, and a farm is that. Just kidding. We're having a holiday. We're having a holiday. And the kids are very excited to learn how to milk. Hi Clem, what a surprise. First in the stand. That's Clementine. The noisy one is Cinnamon. You can pat her, she's super friendly.
Yeah.
Did you already pat little Teddy Burger there?
Yeah. We pat her yesterday.
Yeah, he loves a good cuddle,
I had
Teddy,
to
doesn't
tell him
he?
that she's mine.
Yeah, Clem.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon's being a bully again. All right, let's get cracking.
Where you going in? What are you doing, Teddy? That's it. Just pat them. Mama. Hi, Teddy. You want to go back out? Grace is with you. Grace is with you. You'll be fine. More comfortable on the outside? Yeah, probably. Because you're so little. No. The cows look a little bit big to you, aren't they? Yeah. They're not big to me, though. Oh, that's a cute little moo. Oh, he's not friend. No. No, that time it was Snickers. Snickers.
Calf pellets in there?
I think so.
Yep.
Your turn.
Clement's so cute. Isn't she, Grace?
She sure is.
She messed up you.
Good girl.
Nah, she's probably worse.
Good girl, Clem. Right.
Sam's about to get hammed.
Her sore is getting better too, Grace. That's it. Step out, please. Come on, sweet. Good girl. Yeah, I'm going to hand milk so the machine doesn't hurt her face.
She's got a bit of scabs.
They're looking really good.
Monster.
They're looking really good. Good girl, Clem. So this little
Oh,
belly
cute.
rope here, see this here? This is how we train. So she's very tame because we've had her since the very beginning. We've done all this same tie-up training and lifting her legs and things like that.
Like a horse.
But because we did that, she's not at all afraid of us. So when she's in pain, she will kick to get you off her teats.
Yep.
But when this is on her, she can't kick.
Oh, that's good.
Because if she goes to lift her leg, it pulls on her spine and she actually can't physically lift her leg to kick.
Oh, that's handy.
Yeah, very handy. It's the best way to train them. Like they used to do hobbles and tie legs, and I used to do it too because that's kind of what I was taught.
Yeah.
But I found a better way. So Jean, you know, Jean and Jeremy, the AI techs,
Yep.
she actually is the one who told me that. So if you lift their tail up, because it's an extension of their spine,
Yep.
when I'm taking blood, like I did yesterday for preg testing,
Yeah.
if you lift their tail directly upright, they can't lift their leg to kick you either. So you're safe to stand here and give injections and
Oh, that's such a peace of mind.
yeah. So we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Buddy, do you want to have a go?
Do you want to milk a cow?
Could I have a go
Alright,
after
ready?
him, Mum?
Yeah, of course, love. You have been dying to milk Clementine.
Yes, I
I'll start the flow. We'll use this little bucket here.
And then he can go next.
Because
and
I
then
don't know
I'll
if we
go
need to use that today. But
That's
so
funny,
I'll show
yeah.
you how to do it, right? I've put the cream on so it's all nice and soft. See, they're nice and soft and clean. We've given them a big wash. And then you get your hand around it like that
Do you want to wash your hands?
and squeeze.
Just squeeze it.
Do you want to wash your hands?
Yeah, you have to wash your hands first. Good girl, Sam.
Do you have a cloth for you to wash your hands back?
So sometimes, because not that she will ever be sold, but because we sell cows to other homesteads, I will hand milk and machine milk the cow to get them used to being handled both ways.
Yep.
So that when they go to their new homes, they are fully desensitized to being hand milked and machine milked
Yep.
for their comfort and their new homes.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. Not everyone likes to use a machine. Some people are off grid and can't use a machine.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, not at you.
Okay.
No, come back down.
I know that hurts, sweetheart. I know, honey. That's why we've taken them off their calves,
Yeah.
because they
Let
just
it heal a bit.
too rough. Do you want to have a go, buddy?
Yeah, jump in there.
Hop in here. So I'll stand here with you. Come and sit on the end of here. Slide right in. Got to get real close because your hands won't reach, will they? Keep going. She can't kick you because she's got this on, and I'm going to stand here anyway. So I'll hold that, and you go for a squeeze. Go. You can do it. It's really easy.
I will show
Look,
you.
Josh, ready?
You hold it, squeeze it out.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
You can have a go.
See?
Have one little go. See how it feels.
You don't have to, but you can. Look, Grace is going to have a go. Oh, don't squirt him in the face. See?
Yeah,
Look at all that beautiful milk.
That's what we drink.
You don't want to go yet? That's all right. You can stand and watch.
Yeah.
I'm going to give this back one a go. You milk the front one, Grace.
Okay. So you can literally just grab it and pull it down pretty much.
Squeeze more than
Squeeze
pull.
it. As it's, yeah, squeeze.
You know how when you're a kid, you tap your fingers on the desk like that?
Yeah.
It's that motion, but backwards.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So when you're squeezing, you're pulling it down from the top.
Okay, yeah.
That one's painful, honey.
gotta do it.
I know it hurts. I know. can wash it off, darling. Get the cloth. She squirted ya.
Easy. That's alright.
Here, just give him the cloth.
Oops.
Pop out the way, Bob.
Oops.
It's alright, cow milk's really good for your skin.
Goat milk's even better.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, sweetie, I'm going to hop in here and milk her before she
Can I do
finishes
one
her
more?
food. Yeah, you can. Come in.
That was awesome.
Kind of squirted him.
Nah, that's okay. Pick that top up.
Good girl, stand up.
Hold your
This is why I have
base.
to hold the bucket, because she...
That's not a motorbike, that's a milk machine.
Motorbike.
Hey. Ready? It's a motorbike.
Now kick.
Sorry.
It's a motorbike. No, what is it? Milk machine.
That's a grease that takes it.
Oh, sweetie. I know.
He's asleep.
You want to give him a pat? He's really gentle.
Look at his big afro.
Tell him what an afro is.
Look.
Hey. He's probably the friendliest one. Teddy.
Yeah, teddy burger. Oh.
Baby pigs.
Now, what's your favourite animal so far?
No, you can't tell him now. You still got turkeys,
pigs, you reckon?
baby
Yeah.
pigs.
Alright, let's go see the baby pig.
The little tap is off. Then we grab the milk. We pour it through this strainer. Do you know why we do that? Because if there's any little hairs or anything that got inside the milk when we were milking, that's how we make sure they don't get into our drinking milk. So we strain it through a very fine cloth. This here. See there? See? Can you see that? What's that? Hair, little tiny particles of dirt. But it's also a great way for us to be able to tell if they're starting to get mastitis or anything. If that is not clean like that, then we know that they've got mastitis. But now we know they don't have mastitis and that we've got all the hairs out, that the milk that's inside here is completely fresh and ready to drink. And make sure no flies get in, close it off immediately.
And then we
Take
can
it
teach
inside
you how to...
and we put it in bottles. How good's that?
Waiting for that to fill up. We had 5 litres. Let's go. Put this with this with these. No, what's it called? This with. The best one
Okay,
to get is the
we're
blue
very
one.
excited here. We've come in ages ago from the milking and we've got a little game that Isaiah brought with him. So, what's this called?
It's called a jellybean game.
Okay.
Bean boozled.
Bean Boozled. Oh, here it is. Where did you find that?
We played this game
At
ages ago.
Kmart.
Really? And look at that. It's got all, what is it? It's like some yum and some yuck.
Half.
And look, half. Some are yuck and some are good.
Alright,
All right,
Let's read
let's read out some flavours. Liver and onions,
Yum.
Yum. Yum when it's
cappuccino, old bandage,
Yum.
ew,
cooked. Ew.
pomegranate, rotten egg, or
Yum.
buttered popcorn,
So, buttered popcorn
I'll take
sounds
that
nice.
one.
toothpaste or berry blue. You kids would not care. Which
No,
one?
As I said, toothpaste not really.
Barf
Yeah.
and peach.
Yum.
Barf.
Barf
That's
is
vomit.
Yeah.
So what do we have to do? We have to spin
And you have to
and
get the
pick one.
Mum,
Let's
it's
do
got
it.
some-
Dead fish
That
and
got
strawberry.
orange for it.
Strawberry and banana has yellow and pink.
Yeah, you got Jax.
You got it?
Whose turn is it?
Jacko's going straight up.
Go, Jack.
Go.
Do
Is it strawberry or dead fish? Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish?
Dead fish.
Is it? Is it really?
You have to
The
explain
challenge
it. Does it
is you
taste
have
like
to
a dead
eat it
Oh.
and swallow it.
I thought you had to like not make any faces and
Keep
then
going.
guess.
Oh gosh.
Keep going.
Oh, yeah, the Irish.
Ew.
Isn't that what we're doing?
Go, Grace.
Yum.
Oh no.
Dead
You
fish.
can hold the corner. What's that?
Oh, it's in the
Liver
middle.
or onion?
No, it's in the middle.
Let's just do that one.
No.
That's
There's one called booger or juicy pear.
What's that blue one?
Dirty dishwater. That's my worst.
Rotten egg. Grace got rotten egg.
No, I didn't. I got in the middle.
No, you got rotten egg. Ned done rotten egg. No.
Either
we're
way,
not
Grace,
rotten
it's bad.
It could be good, it could be
Go.
bad.
Get
It's
the
liver. It's liver.
rotten egg is white and yellow.
Get liver. Liver and onion. You try that
That's
all the
it.
time.
Yep, go.
Tell us if it's yummy or yuck.
No, you're not. No.
Is it bad?
Rotten
Sure.
egg.
Show me. Show me.
You
Does
got
it
two.
taste like rotten
Two,
egg?
two,
You
two,
have
swallow.
to swallow it.
Oh.
That's the challenge.
Keep going.
You can do it.
Your turn.
Yeah, maybe. If I
Your
get a good
turn.
one, I'll share with you.
No, we'll give you a bad one.
Yes, yeah. For the boogers.
Yeah.
I don't think kids would be bothered by boogers.
Here, one more
It's
spin.
just
That was
us.
a bad spin.
Suppose.
What about stink bug or toasted marshmallow?
Okay.
It doesn't
I'll
taste
hold it,
good.
I'll hold it, I'll hold it. You flick it.
Or stinky socks or tutti frutti?
Go flick it.
Nah.
Maybe, baby.
Yeah, now move your big fingers.
My big
And
finger.
then,
It's on the side.
He's not even
Yeah, just
touching
move
it.
it, move it. No, let him do it. Let him
That's
do it.
it.
Now you can
You
go.
go.
And just
What's that
hold
one?
it down
The white
there
one.
And
No,
flick it.
go.
Go.
Oh.
Alright, choose your fate, baby.
All right.
Oh,
Toothpaste.
that's the
Toothpaste.
best one.
Or
Pretty
berry
safe.
blue.
That's pretty
Which one?
safe.
Choose blue.
Hang on.
Can you do it?
They're not
What
all
does it
yummy,
taste
baby.
like?
Some of them are bleh.
Berry
You
blue
playing?
or toothpaste?
Yeah, you play.
I got belly blue.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, got a good one.
Oh, you play?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I like it.
Did it just hit?
Jackson and Grace got gross
Oh, he
ones.
got booger.
No one doesn't mind.
Green.
Never mind.
Eat your boogers.
Does it taste like juicy pear?
no.
No, you
No, you can't spit it out. Come
Or
back.
you lose.
Or you can't play the game.
Bro, I never remembered it being this
At least we're
bad.
getting rid of all the bad ones.
I never
By the
this
time
is
it gets
bad.
Look at his face. He's so excited
know.
by this.
Oh, yes. Stinky socks. Tutti frutti with stinky socks.
Oh,
That one
Tutti
there, that
Frutti,
one there,
that's the one I
that one
want.
there. It's got blue
That's
in it. So
there's
yeah.
one at the bottom there too.
He was watching your face.
Oh.
What's going on?
He loves it.
He got a yucky one.
Oh. that
Tutti
was good.
fruity.
stink bug.
Yeah,
You
he
got
got
a
a
good
good
one?
one.
Oh. Yeah, you spin it for mum. You choose my fate.
That was good.
Spin it.
He just wants to grab it.
Yeah, I want to eat
He
it.
said, "I'll choose my own fate."
Go again,
Thanks.
go again.
Alright.
Spin.
Liver or onion?
No,
No,
that's
that's
on.
landed
It
on.
could be rotten egg or buttered
Oh,
popcorn.
yuck.
That one.
It's gonna be buttered popcorn. It's got to be.
Yeah.
Pick the
Got
blue
popcorn.
one.
No, go
Oh,
spin.
that's the
spin.
one
I
you
like
could have
the
got.
Do a spin? No, just like this.
Let's let him have it. What colour?
Toasted marshmallow.
Or stink bug.
Stink
Oh
bug.
my God! Let him have it. I want to see his face.
Is that one there?
Actual makes you get it wrong.
That's
Eat
yours.
it.
You
Yum,
eat
yum.
No, let it go.
Eat
let
it.
it go.
Yum,
Go.
yum, yum.
No, yeah, good.
Yummy.
Yummy,
Eat it.
yummy.
You eat it.
Go,
Yummy.
He's open. Watch Noah's face.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, that face is
Is it yummy?
That
Do
face
a
is
thumbs
not-
up if it's good.
He's like, this is, why are you guys doing this?
Is that a good one?
Yeah.
I don't
Nah. I think it's stink bug.
Right, you have to go again.
Is that good?
He's like, he's gone somewhere. He's gone to a different place.
I guess it's a good one.
Yeah, he enjoys it.
Just chew it slowly.
You playing, Mum?
No,
He's like, why are we
Jackson.
doing
Mum,
this?
go, Mum,
Jackson,
go.
go.
Oh, I don't want it.
Nah,
Mum.
do it.
Is that yum? You don't know.
Oh, stink bug.
He just ate a stink bug, so like,
I think you might be safe. Well, there's a couple in there. He's not enjoying it.
He's like,
Oh, are you
Mum,
sure
eat
that's
it.
not the peach or bath?
Would you like your drink bottle?
No, that's it.
No, it's,
That's
no, no,
it.
no.
Toasted
that's not it.
marshmallow or
That's
stink
it,
bug
that's it,
is
that's it.
light coloured with brown.
That's it.
No, that's liver and
Sit down,
onion,
get your
you
drink
goose.
Poor fella, he does not like.
Yeah.
It's like white with brown.
No, but that doesn't show the actual proper colour because this is liver and onion.
White and brown. That's the one.
This
White
is the
and
liver and
brown.
onion.
Grace, if you picked me a bad one,
Mum, he had a stink bug one.
you don't like it.
No.
Wish me luck.
You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it.
Go.
No, it's awful.
Yeah, do it in front of the camera. No!
I the boogers not eat
Do
it.
it.
It's really bad. It's really
No,
bad.
it's actually real bad, eh? I didn't expect it to be so bad.
Oh, he got stuck in his teeth.
I can't do it.
Wait, he's got it stuck in his
You can't do it again, Mum.
That's child abuse.
No, go. Let's go.
Don't make him
And
eat
you're
it.
the one that said you didn't eat it.
He was sitting there staring out the window. He did better than I did.
Was that good?
You got through it.
Oh, no.
No,
Oh,
you gotta
that's
go.
really bad.
Go, Jackson.
That's
What
not
did
that bad.
Jackson get?
Oh, that is really bad.
Booger or juice?
No, booger.
It's in the middle. It's
Booger.
in
Like
the
a
middle.
stink bug.
It's in the
Go
middle.
do it, Jack.
Jackson,
Booger.
I did it.
In the middle.
No.
Just go booger G.
He'll never want lollies
Can you
again.
show me? That's good. Oh, these all stuck in your teeth. Use your
Ew.
finger.
Nah, he's
Don't
not.
really use mine.
He's like, I'm trying to go to my special place.
Yeah, that's it. That's
Stuck
it.
up in your
Don't
I
just
know.
It's like, no, it's good, it's
I'm
good.
trying to pick a good one.
Oh,
There's
that's
one there too.
really
There's
bad.
one there
Is
too.
it really?
Mate,
What did
you
you
got
get?
toothpaste. Who cares? You
No, I got
Booger, booger or
Let me
juicy
see.
pear?
Juicy pear.
got juicy pear. Oh, yum.
Sounds really
Lucky,
bad.
bro. I had bad ones.
It's too
It's
bad.
yucky.
I'm gonna
That's
do it.
Dirty dishwasher
Yeah,
or
dirty dishwasher.
birth
Let's go it all out.
or birthday
That's
cake?
it.
There you go.
Birthday cake. That would be amazing.
Birthday cake right there.
I'll be your dentist.
It's heaps of colours.
Oh, you couldn't.
Don't eat the stink bug one.
Stuff it.
I've
It's
got-
I
I've
got
got
one.
not.
I got one.
I
Do you
have
want to get
to.
this one?
Good.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Mum, I'm going.
It's a part of the game, so
If
you
the
failed.
toddler
it.
can eat it.
Yeah.
Brock's eating it.
What is it?
Birthday cake.
She got the birthday cake one.
Oh, nice.
Your turn
You're
again.
right, buddy. So bad,
Did
man.
you flick it?
Right there. Have a drink.
Yeah.
Go get it. Go get it.
Wash it down.
Oh, I got
Oh,
Right.
liver or onions.
Water?
Oh.
Ooh.
What's that there, black
Do
one?
it. You can
No,
do it.
No,
Brown,
guys,
yeah.
it doesn't show it's fruit.
Just go
It's
brown.
that one.
Brown.
It's
Right
that
there.
one.
No, it's this one.
Let him pick. He
Let
might
him,
want
let him
to.
do it, let him do it, let
It's
him
one
do
of
it.
these.
Oh, go for it, buddy.
Let him do it.
He might want to try. You
Please
just
sniff
don't know.
each one.
I don't
Wrong
see
one.
Honestly,
wrong one.
liver isn't that bad.
I
It's
just
one
go.
of these brown ones.
liver and onions.
It's just all
Liver
yum.
and
Just,
onions
no,
is
that's
good.
it, that's
That'd be
it.
like lemon
Add
fry.
some gravy.
That's it, that's
Yeah.
it. Slap it down, go.
That's not it, by the way.
There you go.
Look, let me see.
Is that
What does
good
it
or
taste
not?
like? Yum or yuck?
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gifted this one.
Yeah.
Just waiting.
2 in a
I've
row.
been smelling them all
Please.
like for a couple of months now.
Birthday cake or dirty dishwasher.
My one.
You gotta get a multi.
I can't even put my hand in dirty dishwater.
No, same.
It's dirty dishwasher.
Yeah.
No, you gotta eat it. You can't play again.
He got another yucky one.
Something feel like gravy.
Oh no,
Ready?
Noah.
It will.
If you don't eat it, you don't get to play the game.
He's like,
Oh,
that's fine.
that's me. I'm out.
No.
Pomegranate or old
Oh, he's
bandages.
Oh, Brock's got
Oh,
the old
Brock.
bandage.
Oh,
Oh, get
no.
them multi. No, it's that one. It's that
Taking
one.
it
Yeah,
for
he-
the team, bud.
Or band-aid. What is it?
Old bandages.
How is it allowed?
Just doesn't even taste like old bandages.
Oh, yeah.
It tastes like gravy
Gravy.
and deep
blood.
heat.
Deep heat.
Ew, gross.
Ew.
Oh, old DP.
That's not mine.
I can't do it.
No, you can't play again if you throw it
Come
out.
on,
Oh,
Casey,
I'm not
did
playing
it.
that.
You
I've
did it.
Kason did, and he's got it stuck in his teeth.
Don't you puke on me, I swear.
That, I was about
She
to.
didn't fail.
Dude,
Your
it's so
turn.
bad.
Oh.
It just, the levels get worse.
Oh, yeah. I think I'll tap out of the butter.
Your turn. Your turn.
Where's the spew bag?
It's really, really bad.
Vomit on me, boy.
Do you want to try my stink bug one, bro?
Yeah.
It's real bad.
Alright, go. Do you need me to move? You
Oh, he got you got
No.
rotten band-aid or pomegranate.
good? Pomegranate or old
Oh,
bandage?
let's hope it's pomegranate.
That's good, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Oh
It's gonna.
No, not. It's pomegranate.
Oh,
no,
wait,
no, no, no.
how?
No, it's not. It's gross.
Wait, keep doing it, keep doing it. Keep eating it. Do you have another go?
Mmm.
no. Your turn.
It's yuck, eh?
Go, buddy,
It
go.
actually tastes like,
Him.
like when you doing soil, so fertilizer.
Oh, same one, buddy.
You got the same one as mum.
Ew.
Same one as mum.
He doesn't want to
Yeah.
eat another
No,
bad
no
one.
eating.
No, nah.
No, let him.
Yeah.
No, let him have
Yeah.
the blue one. Let him have the blue one.
He's like, here's your life
No,
choices.
no, put it back.
Look at him looking at mum like, is it safe?
Is
Just
it good?
smell it and then.
Can we do half?
Is it good?
I'll take it for the team.
Yeah,
Except
mum, you
you
have
do
it.
Ready?
He doesn't even want it.
There's pomegranate. That one's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, wash it.
Yep,
wash
safe,
down that
mum,
stink bug
safe.
with that yummy one. Is that yummy?
Not too bad.
Yeah, no, he likes that one.
Yeah, he likes
Good?
it.
Yeah, that
Your
one's
turn
good.
again.
Alright.
You guys are weird. These aren't nice.
Oh, that was bad. I had 2 bad runs. I need a good
I
one.
did feel like that was a...
Peach or barf?
Oh,
Why
Bob
is that
is vomit.
jelly
Oh,
bean
the
there?
bar.
Jackson, if you
Oh.
get a
It's
barf, I'm
one of
actually
those.
There's a
so
jelly
bad.
bean
My
right
tummy
there.
don't feel right after.
Yeah,
No,
no,
it doesn't.
Mum
No.
puked it. Mum puked
There's
it
a-
out.
I just spat it out. I didn't
Go,
puke.
go.
Mum, you have to eat that.
Take it for the team.
I
Or this
can't.
one.
I had it.
Multi-
I had
Oh.
it.
multi-coloured.
No,
Wait.
she's already out.
No, Mum, you have to do it. You have to do it. No, wait. Pause.
No, I'm not doing it
Oh,
on
that
camera.
smells good. That smells good. Well, then, face the
What happens if
camera
it's
on
weird?
us
It is.
and
Oh, well.
Go, go, go.
Go,
You got this.
take it for the team.
Oh, it's gonna be...
That's nice.
Oh, that's a good
It's
one.
That's
peach.
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 Barf.
Mum, you have to do it on camera.
Peach is
It
actually
wasn't a
nice.
good one. Did I trick you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Wait, I
Did you eat half of it?
I did,
More water?
but I guess I already had the taste in my mouth.
Oh.
Liked the
Oh, I
peach.
get a blue one.
Sorry, Becky.
Oh, guys, guess the best
That's
one.
Cason's
Oh.
one.
I
You
got it
can
too.
tell us how much we just made him suffer.
What's it supposed to be?
Stink bug or toasted marshmallow?
Yeah, not the marshmallow at all.
Not a marshmallow?
No.
It's a stink bug.
Are there even any toasted marshmallow ones in there?
Probably right at the bottom. Probably one and then like 5 of the other ones.
Strawberry, banana, smoothie, or dead fish? Oh no.
Oh my god! Breathe in, Hayley. That's so bad.
Yeah. Wait, wait.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh.
What
Yeah.
about the dead fish one? Oh, gross.
Oh, that's so bad.
That's not allowed. That's not allowed, eh?
That
Oh
looks
no, that
right.
was a stink bug.
Mm.
That's what he had. You can have stink
That's
bug.
not
I
allowed.
had it too. I can't get it down. It's making me sick.
Do it.
Is that it? Yeah, that has to be it.
Haley.
What is it?
Dead fish.
Oh, Brock's the fisherman too.
No, me too.
Last
I had one.
No, you had old
If you spit it out, you can't play the game.
You spun it, buddy. Go. I just
You're
swallowed
gonna
it.
struggle to find people to play this game with you.
Wait, have us back at the farm.
What did it be?
What's it gonna be? Ready? Tutti Fruity or Stinky Socks?
Ooh.
Oh, I had
Ew.
stinky socks.
Are you right? Frog's
They've
dying.
made this bad.
No, wait, it used to be, all of them used to be good.
Blue. Okay, blue. That's
Now
nice.
it's just like
No, he can taste the blue one if you want.
Yeah, he could.
Tutti Fruity.
Lucky.
That's really nice.
yuck, man. There's some yuck ones in there.
Your turn?
He just ate one. That was nice. Tutti Fruity.
Where did it go?
Holy moly.
Where did it go?
That's like a licorice.
Well, that's bad.
Yes!
You can't go wrong there.
Two face one.
And blueberry.
Perfect.
You finally
Oh,
got a good
booger.
one.
Booger.
Oh,
The green
okay.
ones, guys, pretty easy.
Oh,
but-
rapid fire, rapid fire.
I'm gonna
Go,
enjoy
go,
this
go.
one.
Go, guys, eat it.
Yeah, a minute. You can
Bang.
it when it comes
It's gonna be
back, okay?
booger.
Juicy pear.
Bro, what?
Yum.
Go, spin it, spin it, spin
Juicy
it.
pear's good, huh?
Having a good round till it gets to rock.
Taste the peach.
Wait, what?
We're all gonna have really bad breath tonight.
Like, ooh, you smell like bandage.
Ooh, you smell like rotten egg.
Oh, rotten egg.
Oh no.
What's the alternative?
Oh,
Buttered popcorn.
Oh, that's the one. Yeah.
Get a
that's
really
it.
yellow one.
You'll know the difference.
No, Whose is it?
For
Yeah,
sure.
it's yours.
No.
Not mine.
yeah.
Rotten egg. Oh, it's yours. I thought it was Noah.
Yeah, so.
What'd you
Yummy
get?
one.
Oh,
Oh,
you got
what?
popcorn.
You got the gift.
I think he's lying.
Got no taste buds.
No,
I was gonna say I've been wondering about the taste buds.
Oh, yeah.
Stink bug again. Pass me again.
No,
No.
no.
You
That's
might get the good one though.
Yeah.
I can't wait
I
till
know
somebody
what they are.
tastes the
Yeah.
liver and onion.
That one.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
Knock it back, Noah. Knock it back. Quick,
Eat
knock
it.
it back.
Smell nice, but it doesn't
Eat it.
taste nice.
You gonna spin for me?
Finally!
Yay! You had a
Yay!
Is that toasted marshmallow?
Yes.
That's good.
No. You should...
I need to savor this flavour.
What was
I
it?
didn't see it.
Nothing.
I need to savor this flavour.
Respin.
See, I can't
Booger.
Boogers.
Oh, I guess it's not too bad.
Boogers.
Raw juicy pear.
It's good, eh?
Yep.
Finally, one win and 2 bad.
Wait till you taste the peach.
Rotten egg or popcorn. Oh, now it's gonna be my fate because I had.
What did you win?
What did I win? Who knows? Rotten egg.
Ew.
Is it?
Oh, that is. Oh.
No, that's
If
the
you
worst
spit
one in
it
my
out,
opinion.
You can't play the game, Mum.
Bang. One of these ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I know quitter.
Go on.
No, let your mum taste
Yum,
it
yum,
first.
No, let him go. No, it's yours. No, she
Have
can't
one,
go
have
after
one.
that.
Anything can be better than that.
What is the? What's the alternative? Liver.
It's been
Oh, that's a gross one. I won't do that to you. That's the one we had before. That's the bandages one, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's the old bandage.
Yeah, she's had 2 bad ones.
That's 3 of them now.
Wow.
Ugh.
If you
Team
got
player.
Oh, because I ate it?
Yeah, I think that one's it. Yeah.
No.
No.
Wait, what's that one?
That pink one there. Light pink.
Those pink
I
ones.
like those ones.
Light pink.
That one, these two.
Yeah, go
Yeah,
some.
he knows. Light pink, no? I think that's the last one. That's not the one.
No, there's
Yeah, that's
one
it,
there.
that's it,
There's
yeah.
one there too.
That's the whole point of the game.
Go on in.
But you're going to spit out one.
I'll just wall up.
Dishwater?
You had that already.
Oh my god.
You had 2 dishwaters.
You're out.
Oh, rotten egg.
They're quite gross.
Or mud and
Ask
popcorn.
Jackson how good that one is.
The rotten egg one can really ruin your day.
Yummy.
And I think because we've all in this family at one stage of another put our finger into a rotten egg,
Hey.
So it's
there's a
real.
whole new level of
Mama.
disappointment that happens.
It's bad for me.
Is it buttered popcorn?
Rotten egg.
Rotten egg.
Awesome.
No.
The gag reflex.
I actually don't know.
It's brought to you.
It tasted bad to start off with, but then it starts to taste good.
I'm so scared sitting here because I can't get out quick enough. Just to go to the table.
I don't spew much.
Good.
Yeah, right.
He's the one who
Spit
smashes
on
our eating challenges when we go on holidays.
Oh, me too. The egg, the nice.
No, you only
Sit down.
drink
What are
the
you
egg.
gonna get? What are you gonna spin it for, Mum? Spin.
I'm on the one we did in
Yeah.
Calbar, remember? That was fun.
Ooh.
Old bandages.
No, keep going. I've had 3 of those.
Back on blue?
Have you had 3?
Yeah, because I had one.
Oh,
of these
booger.
too.
No, no more.
Booger.
Go again.
Booger. There is
Go
no
again.
boogers, is there? Woo, big one. Do a big one. Ready? Like this.
You know what you should do? Just lucky dip the whole box.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should do that.
Alright, go.
2
Lucky
degrees.
dip the
Alright,
whole box.
pick one for Mummy.
No, you can't.
You can't look.
Ah, right, here you go.
He can look.
You go close
What's
your
it matter?
eyes.
You don't know if it's
you
a
go,
good-
Another one of those.
Why you hate me? Ooh, his face. That's an old bandage. Thank you so much. Good job. They're disgusting.
Nah, just lucky dip now.
It was, that one was
I'm
not
lucky
that
dipping.
one.
Wait,
It just
Brock.
tastes like I'm eating soil.
Well, we're lucky dipping. Yeah, we're lucky dipping.
You don't want that.
It does. It's a lucky
Guys,
dip
give me the
anyway,
blue
because
one.
it doesn't
Yeah.
matter what it looks like. It
Blue
still
one's
could be
good.
good or bad.
I'm drinking my water. You love it.
No, stop.
Nothing
So we're
bad.
done with the
Just
wheel?
hurry up.
So we're done with the wheel?
Oh, yuck.
Well, there's too many that are not there now.
Yeah, true.
What is it? What's that one? What's the possibilities?
You gotta do it.
What is the possibilities? What is
I
it?
got toothpaste or blueberry.
Rotten egg or popcorn.
Toothpaste?
You got rotten egg again.
I got blueberry.
That's
Blueberry
good.
again.
There's no.
What? You got the gift. We should make you eat the whole lot in a big handful.
Toothpaste.
Oh, it's kind of better than all the.
Alright, it brushes your teeth after
Yeah,
all.
there you go. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Toothpaste. Your kids like
Yeah,
eating
toothpaste.
toothpaste.
There's no in the
Your
bag.
turn.
I got
I'll pick
blueberry.
It's strong.
We only use on
What
guard.
one did you get? One
That better be the blueberry.
Yummy?
Odd bandage.
It's two.
It's another bandage.
I
Yeah.
guess,
That one
Your
yummy?
luck is bad.
Yeah.
You can't go because you're out.
You're out too, eh?
No.
Come
Hey,
back,
she's
back.
not. She ate it. I did not. It's still
got
sitting
me.
there,
Wait,
staring at me.
Wait, off camera, you gotta eat it.
You get smell.
Well, I got my camera on you.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll be sick. I don't want to be sick.
She had a blue one in her fingers and it dropped to pick that one.
Let's go, bub.
What is it? Is that liver and onions?
Yeah.
I want to see someone get that.
Could be nice.
Is it nice?
Wait, what?
What's the alternative? Alternative flavour.
Aftertaste.
Go, buddy. Lucky
Liver,
dip.
onions, or cappuccino?
Ooh, cappuccino would be nice.
It's not it.
It's not
Oh,
cappuccino.
he got a. Oh, someone.
Liver.
Stop eating them then, darling, if you can't handle it.
Look at his eyes are watering.
I got the other yummy one.
Not a quitter,
Yeah.
are you, babe?
He's not a quitter. He's laying there in agony, just eating this
Get out of
feral.
it.
Another one.
Nah,
You're cheating,
that's
bro.
rigged.
No, he didn't.
What did you get? More toothpaste. Oh, these bandages are.
Blueberry.
You got me.
Honey
This better not be
water.
old bandage.
He took the pink one for
I'm
you.
savouring this flavour.
You'll get the good one, the pomegranate. She's eaten all the dirty bandages.
Yeah, literally.
You jinxed it.
You got another dirty bandage.
Fish now.
Mommy.
Oh, it's dead. Oh, dead fish.
Is that worse than the egg one?
Disgusting.
That one wasn't good.
You drank all my water.
Go grab her some water, Jax.
No, that's
Oh.
Where's
cheating.
your water bottle?
I haven't had
that
water.
yours?
Yes.
No water, no water. It's cheating.
Fill that up.
Just drink this.
No water allowed.
I
No,
had
no,
another
no.
old
That'd be
bandage.
worse.
Oh, that dead fish is.
Lucky dip.
Yeah, go on, Rick.
Yeah, look at him.
Done with the spin.
Oh, Grace is spinning again.
Yum, no.
Grace is spinning again.
He's no quitter.
Turkeys are laughing at us.
Oh, that one wasn't good. I had old
Yeah, it's not good,
bandages.
huh?
Okay, Grace.
Stink
Had
bug.
like 3.
Stink bug.
hope
That's
stink
the
bug.
bad one.
I just like cracked the
Brownish.
outside and swallowed it.
Whose is that half
Ah,
of
cheetah.
bean there?
No,
That's his.
You.
That's his.
Did you get a bad
Did
one?
you get a yucky one, babe?
It's half eaten. You gotta eat the other half.
Isaiah.
Zaya, you gotta eat the
Commit.
other half.
Yeah.
I got it out. I'm having dinner.
Yeah, he's out. He
You
doesn't
gotta-
want
So
it.
did you spit it out?
No, go.
He's
put
not
it-
eating it all.
No, go. You gotta put it in your mouth. And you gotta do
Finish it all.
it. You gotta and
Finish
then swallow.
What
Don't.
flavour is it? Liver and onions?
Oh, that dead fish has done me in.
Are you done?
It got stuck on my tooth.
That's gross.
Did you get it? She got stink bug.
I swear there's like.
That's
3
the worst
ones
one,
in
isn't
the
it?
whole pack.
Isn't that the worst one?
Rotten egg.
Oh,
dead fish.
yeah.
I'm not
Dead
lying.
fish.
No, I put that back.
No, go for it.
That's all
Well,
that's left,
it's,
eh?
It's fate now. You gotta have it.
Is that?
There's no more
There's
good
one
Again.
more blue.
Again, another blueberry.
That's good.
Oh no!
Is that another bandage?
I'm savouring this one's flavour.
Egg.
Another pink. Oh, get another
Rotten egg or
Oh,
butter
let's go.
popcorn?
popcorn. What is it?
That's rotten egg.
What's the clear
Oh,
one?
what's
I
that
don't know.
one?
Rotten
I
egg.
smell.
It's not.
It's
Because mine wasn't clear.
Dirty dishwater or birthday cake?
Time
Or
for the lucky
Ready?
dip.
Is it pink?
No, it's just clear
Yeah,
white.
dirty
I
dishwater.
got the same Isaiah.
Go.
And me.
Did you get it?
Oh yeah.
Bad.
I got birthday cake.
Oh,
Yeah.
Thank
What?
you.
You've only had one bad one. Did you have birthday cake?
No,
Yeah,
Alex
popcorn.
wants one.
They just had one.
No.
We're playing the game.
It's not fun.
Playing the game.
I didn't even get past one round. And there it
Rotten
is.
egg. Rotten egg. Try that.
That's-
we got it. No.
Wait, that's stink bug. I can't do it.
Yeah.
The popcorn's great.
Jackson spewed up the rotten egg one in the bin.
Oh,
She's still eating a dirty
You done
socks
yours?
one.
Or you out?
What one are you
I've
eating?
done mine.
Yeah, have you?
I'm
What'd
still.
you get?
Right.
birthday
I
cake.
got birthday cake.
Oh,
Yeah. That is
Birthday
good.
cake.
There we go.
I almost
Toothpaste.
got
That is a 3 streak.
dirty dishwasher water.
You want to pick one?
Dirty
birthday
dishwater.
What about?
Oh, nice work.
Yeah.
Just test it.
Pink one.
not
Oh,
fixed.
you said
It's not
The
fixed.
yellow
Lovely.
splatter, that's
You can't test out the spreader
I think
without
I'm gonna.
having the ground ripped
I
up.
think I'm gonna stop there, eh?
You mean to put all the seeds in that we wanted to spread?
You have to eat them all.
No, I can't.
What's the chances I can get through
Where are you
here?
putting
But
it?
you did not.
I'm putting this
And just good content.
You
As
did.
long as it's not.
Did you want to come out and have a look?
He
As
had
long
a
as it's not
disgusting
wasted.
one.
Oh,
Good or bad?
no, it's popcorn.
Can someone help me with these cows?
What cows?
Yeah, okay.
What's wrong with them?
They got out of the gate.
They ran.
It's almost like you don't live here.
That's kind of a good excuse to tap out. I'll help with the count.
Just remember where the bins as well.
Yeah, gross, right? Drink.
Taking this one. You got a pink one.
Is that liver?
Oh, that's the last one, either pomegranate or old bandage.
It'll be pomegranate because you've had all the old bandages.
That old bandage,
Yeah, that-
sure.
Maybe taste it.
Joking.
They're not, just have no.
I love it.
Yucky.
Just
Yeah,
have no
it's not the right game for you, bud.
Oh.
You've done well there.
I got one
Hey,
of these.
You're a champ. You've really weathered the storm.
I might have to tap out with the 2 popcorns.
What is this?
Mum, here's
Dead fish or
What is
strawberry
it?
banana smoothie.
Strawberry banana
Come on,
smoothie.
sweet.
What one is it? Yeah,
yellow one.
which could be
Rotten
rotten egg
No, I don't
or
have any more.
buttered popcorn. The payoff would be amazing if it's the popcorn.
What's gonna get?
Rotten
What do you
egg.
reckon? No, don't.
I'm asking Isaiah.
Popcorn.
Really?
Nah, I can tell if it's popcorn or rotten egg. That is popcorn. Rotten egg can be
Dirty dish with
He's like, yeah, all the alternatives sounds.
sticks.
You have to do it. Or Haley's. Sitting next to you. Dirty dishwater. What was in the dishes? What did they have for dinner? Be a bit more forceful. You stole the motorbike. You see. Oh, nearly a second time. Can you not throw it backwards? Okay. I don't know if this tree's dying. I feel like it is. That's not hamburger. That's T-bone. Hamburger's over here. Sunset. We've already seen it. We missed it. Can't even see a sunset. Jesus. Loves it. Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Oh, that was a fun ride.
Wasn't it? Jackson's a good rider.
He was going speedy up that hill.
Oh, yeah. Do you love it? Going fast?
My hair was like going woo.
Even in the helmet? Really? Hey, T-Bone. See that little baby black lamb down there?
Yeah.
Isn't he cute? Here, look, he's skipping around.
What's wrong with his leg?
His leg.
Oh no, it's just a white tuck.
He's always had a white spot there. This is the baby that we raised with Clementine. So that was Deirdre's foster baby. That's little T-Bone.
Oh, that's just walk.
On who? That. See him lifting his foot. Raven! Raven!
Raven!
Oh, there she is.
Yeah, they won't hurt you. Raven! Can you spot the bottle baby? Raven! If you stop and sit down, she'll come to you.
There you go. You sit down.
Just squat lower than her. Yeah, that won't work.
You sit down next to here.
Mina.
What did you say before? Not you, Jackson. What did you say before? Jackson's a crazy driver. Mina brought herself a treat.
She's got a leg
Oh no, she dropped it.
going back. Huh?
We're doing now, though.
Going back.
Welcome back to Hey Farmstead.
Oh my gosh, Brock, really?
Outro. It's an outro.
Oh, is it?
This is going in the outtakes. Big day for everyone.
Goose man.
Brock has nicknamed Case and Gooseman. He's happily enjoying his dinner because he's worked hard for that. He's worked all day.
Hey Goose, wave at the camera.
And Isaiah's over there having his dinner too. And Hayley is helping. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, right.
Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And see you on the next one.
Bye.
Take care.
Honey fun.
We out.
You gotta go. We out.
Aussie Brock outdoors.
We out. Oh, we still see your face. That's so cute.
No, you go.
Isaiah will do it. He always closes mine.
Go.
Ready?
Can you do this?
We out.
Goose, do this. Do this.
Nah, he's
Go
so
like that?
busy
No
fanging.
suckers.
He's like, come on.
What about you, Isaiah? Shaka?
You wanna do it? We
We out.
yeah, good job.